Topic: What happens to your liver when you quit alcohol for 30 days? Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, processing toxins, storing energy, and helping with digestion. But when alcohol enters the picture, it takes a heavy toll. By the end of this video, you will understand the incredible transformation your liver undergoes in just 30 days without alcohol. So, let's jump into the science. Imagine this. You stop drinking alcohol for 30 days. Your liver, which has been under constant stress, begins to heal and function better than ever. You may have heard that cutting out alcohol can reduce fat in the liver, improve energy, and even clear up your skin. But what are the actual science-backed results? Today, I will walk you through the day-by-day process of liver transformation. Let's uncover how this 30-day challenge can help repair your liver and your overall health. Stick with me, and let's see what happens. The first 5 days are all about detoxifying your liver. When you stop drinking, your liver stops having to process alcohol, which is a toxic substance. Alcohol is metabolized in the liver and can cause inflammation, fatty buildup, and scarring over time. On day 1, your liver begins the cleansing process, removing alcohol from your system. You may experience withdrawal symptoms, like headaches, irritability, and fatigue, because your body has become accustomed to alcohol. By day 3, your liver is working harder to filter out toxins. You may begin to feel a bit better physically, but the real changes will happen soon. By day 5, your liver's ability to process waste is significantly improved. In fact, research shows that even after just 5 days, your liver starts to break down fat deposits, reducing the initial fatty liver buildup caused by alcohol consumption. By day 6, your liver is actively reducing inflammation. Alcohol causes liver inflammation, which leads to swelling and damage. With alcohol out of the picture, your liver is now in repair mode. Studies show that the liver can heal itself and reduce inflammation in as little as 10 days. During this time, the liver starts to normalize its enzyme levels and begins rebuilding damaged cells. Around day 7 to day 10, you may notice your energy levels improving. This is because your liver is now better at processing nutrients and regulating your blood sugar. Your skin may also begin to look healthier, as alcohol is known to dehydrate your skin and cause redness or puffiness. The break from alcohol allows your body to retain moisture, leading to clearer, more hydrated skin. By the second week, your liver is working much more efficiently. Alcohol often leads to the accumulation of fat in the liver, which can result in a condition called fatty liver disease. However, by the 11th day, studies have found that your liver fat levels begin to decrease. In fact, liver fat can decrease by as much as 15% after just 2 weeks of abstaining from alcohol. As the liver continues to detoxify and regenerate, your overall liver function improves. On day 14, your liver is processing toxins much more effectively, and your digestion improves. You might notice that your stomach feels less bloated, and you're able to digest food more easily. Your energy is starting to pick up because your liver is no longer overloaded with alcohol. As you enter the 3rd week, the changes become even more significant. By day 16, the liver has reached a stage where fat is continuing to break down, and your liver cells are regenerating. Studies have shown that alcohol-induced liver inflammation decreases substantially during this period. If you have had trouble with alcohol-related weight gain, now is the time when you might notice a difference. At this point, your liver is healthier than it has been in months, possibly years. It has reduced fat storage, decreased inflammation, and improved enzyme levels. You are also likely to feel more energetic, and your sleep quality improves. This is because alcohol can disrupt sleep patterns, but without it, your body can rest and repair more effectively. By the final stretch of your 30-day challenge, your liver is nearly fully healed. The effects of alcohol are now reversed, and the long-term health benefits start to shine. By day 21, your liver is no longer stressed by the constant consumption of alcohol. Your immune system also gets a boost as your liver starts to store and release vital nutrients more effectively. You may start to notice significant changes in your mood, sleep quality, and even your mental clarity. Without alcohol weighing down your system, your body has more energy to focus on other vital functions. You may find that your appetite has improved and your digestive system is working more smoothly. On the final 5 days, your liver reaches a peak state of recovery. By day 30, studies show that your liver function has improved to near normal levels. Fatty deposits are almost completely eliminated, and the liver's ability to process toxins is almost as good as it was before you started drinking. In fact, your liver is now capable of performing even more efficiently than before. After 30 days, your liver is healthier, more efficient, and better equipped to deal with toxins in the future.